What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be focusing on improving the lighting inside my shop. I'll show you why. Alright, so the lighting in here originally was a mess. As you can see, it kind of still is. I've started on this side a while back. These four that you see here have actually been working, but I'd still like to tidy them up. I mean, get the wires right and everything, but these are LED fluorescent lights essentially. As you can see over here though, it's kind of just a spattering of everything. You got this guy here, only 2 of the 4 bulbs are working. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. Got this really long one here not working at all, probably a bad ballast. Over here you got this little guy flickering around, not good. And this one actually works too with about 2 of the 4 bulbs, but it's on the same circuit as those over there, which is on a switch over there against the wall in between the garage doors. These 3 over here are on their own separate switch over there by that door. So I'm going to try to add another 4 right along through here of those same LED lights. Take down this guy, and that'll probably be it for now. But got a place to tap for the power right there. It was pre-existing, and I got this little box here that has the plug outlets that I'm going to use. So for now, put you guys on a laps and we'll get started. So now if I go over here to my breaker panel, flip on this breaker, we should get some light in here. Much better. So for now, again, all I did was install this little outlet box. The switch right there won't do anything. I don't need it to really, and kind of jankily hung the cord up for now, but it's all temporary anyways until I kind of finalize how I want this. I got to take down all this conduit, these drop down boxes, and all this other bullcrap this guy before me put in, and redo it anyway. So for now I'm just trying to get more lighting in the shop. As you can see, that's what I'm going for over here. So I'm gonna start tearing down some stuff and we'll get the new stuff installed right now. I just want to show you what I'm dealing with real quick. Just a big wad of electrical tape, wire nuts tied into who freaking knows what. have a fresh pallet to work with, so we can install the new ones. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and do all the tedious little measuring, get my gapping and spacing right, and then when it comes to install time, I will put y'all on a laps again and we'll go from there. Man, so much better in here already. So that's one whole row. I'd eventually like to get a matching row on this side all the way across the shop. Replace that light over there, of course, and I think we'll be done as far as lighting goes. But man, what a difference. No more flickering lights. And as you can see, as messy as it is, that whole side of the shop is lit up quite nicely now. Much better than before. Then of course all the way across. So I'd eventually like to get that white paneling up all the way across too. Not only, well, patch that hole right there, but not only from a look standpoint, but it also helps reflect all that light and really helps see everything on the side of the cars, sometimes even under, but that's a project for another day. Really glad we got this done. These lights are really cool. Come 4 to a pack. You can get them on Amazon for like $100. They're linkable to each other, as you can see. One cord to the next, and then plugged into the outlet I installed up there. Still looks pretty jank, but it'll do for now. You can only link 4 of these up at once, so I have those 4, and right here I only use 3. That's mainly because I got a bunch of junk on that top shelf, and that's where the 4th one has to go. So again, do that another day. And upcoming video, we'll build a workbench right here in this corner. I'll get this corner all cleaned out, and we'll build me somewhere to work. So alright guys, well I think this is where I'm going to stop the video. If you like this video, want to see more of what I'm doing with the shop and the cars I have, please hit that like button, subscribe. Peace out.